This is the Chapter 5 test for beginning algebra on April 22nd. You will have about an hour to get this back to me, showing all your work, your thoughts of how to get the answer and how to do it. Please put your name on each page, and you use 2 or 3 pages to do it. Write fairly big so I can see what you're doing. Number 1, negative 3x cubed y squared. X is negative 2, y is negative 3. Evaluate. 2, simplify 2x squared y cubed quantity to the third. Number 3, subtract the first quantity, 7x squared minus 2x minus 7. Subtract from it negative 8x squared minus 2x plus 3. Number 4, multiply x minus 2 cubed. X minus 2 times x minus 2 times x minus 2. Number 5, multiply x minus 3 times x squared minus 3x plus 7. Number 6, use FOIL. Multiply 3x squared minus 7 times 4x cubed plus 6. 3x squared minus 7 times 4x cubed plus 6. Number 7, negative exponents. X squared y cubed over z to the fourth, all of this to the negative second power. Simplify, and then make sure there's no negative exponents left. Number 8, synthetic division. Divide 8.4 times 10 to the 7th by 2.1 times 10 to the 9th. Divide using synthetic division, then change back to standard number notation. Number 9, 6x cubed minus 3x squared minus 9x plus 12. Divide by 3x. Divide, remember, no negative exponents in your final answer. 10, use synthetic division to divide 2x cubed minus x squared minus 13x plus 1 by x minus 3. Got about an